blaze of fire rises the team of power.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Fireman Bernadette Tag, 13, representing Lapu-Lapu-Lapu-La!
Heroes like fire, bold like God, unstoppable like the blazing sun. Because red, it's not just a color. It's a courage, it's dominance, and it is the spirit of the champion! Ayan, ang sabi ng aral ang sangan, at kami ang nagsasabi na, ito na ang bagsik ng kulay pula! Who